Hi, I'm Jess from Match Stafford, and today I'm going to be showing you around an approved used vehicle. Let's take a look around this 2021 Toyota CHR 1.8 litre VVT-h XL. This car is a petrol hybrid automatic with 21,422 miles, and with just one owner from new, it has been well maintained with full service history. This brilliant car comes with adaptive LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, so you're always visible to other road users. The exterior is finished off with these 10 double-spoke dark chrome 18-inch alloy wheels. As we head round to the back of the car, you have a large spacious boot with solid parcel shelf for hiding those belongings and split folding rear seats, adding additional luggage space when needed. Heading into the rear passenger side, you'll find this lovely smart black leather and cloth upholstery. These rear seats come with the ISOFIX safety feature for those smaller passengers. Moving into the front, that smart modern interior continues with heated front seats with electric adjusters on the driver's side. Taking a closer look at the driver's side, you have your 3-spoke, heated Napa leather steering wheel with mounted audio controls and phone controls. It also comes with adaptive cruise controls for those long motorway journeys. Behind it, you have your sporty instrument cluster with digital trip computer showing your mileage and current fuel and electric range. Heading across to the centre, you have your 8-inch Toyota Touch 2 Multimedia System where you can access your Go navigation, helping you find those unfamiliar destinations at ease. You also have your DAB radio with Bluetooth connectivity such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also connect your phone for hands-free calling. And if you pop this lovely car into reverse, it does come with a reverse parking camera with dynamic guidelines. Moving down, you have your heated seat functions and dual climate controls where you can control the temperature, airflow and airflow direction. As we move down the centre, you do have charging points and cup holders, an electric parking brake, and finally your EV mode button, which allows this hybrid to function as an electric vehicle, relying on the battery rather than fuel. RAC extended warranty is available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 01785 899 474. Thanks for watching.